Alright, this is a brand new effect that I've created, and it's a very, very strong effect. This is the idea. It's based on oil and water. I have here 2, 4, 6, so 3 even cards and 3, 5, 7. 3 blacks are the odds. So we have even and odd, right? Now I'm going to show you something very odd, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them up like this with the odd numbers and the even numbers, and the reds and the blacks. And what I'm going to do is show you that even though I mix them up, oil and water, we know, of course, does not mix. And we have the 2, 4, 6, and here we have the 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so we'll do that again, even if nobody asks. Okay, we have the oil and water, and we're just going to take them and mix them up. Okay, so we take it even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Okay, you can see they're mixed, very clean. All I do is cross and snap, and over here we have the 2, the 4, the 6, and over here we have the 3, 5, and the 7. Oil and water doesn't mix. Now, what I'm going to do is show you again. We have we're going to take these guys here, and these are the odd ones. Okay, so we'll take 3, 5, and 7. Okay. And we're going to set these down, okay? And if I just have you put your hand on top, and then we just cross and snap. See, that's kind of odd that you have the odd ones, but I have the odd ones. Just like that. There's the odd ones there. 3, 5, and 7 odd. And let's see what you have. Okay, so you turn that over, okay? Then they turn that over, and they show that it's a 2, 4, 6. Now, if I go like this, I mix them again very cleanly. You can see we have even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Okay? I'm going to show you something very odd again. Watch very carefully. I snap the fingers, and on top, where they're supposed to be odd, they're even. So have you put your hand on top of that. On the bottom, okay, we have, that's the 2. And in the middle, we have the 4. So there's the even. Now if you have the even, I have the odd. But that's very odd because these are the even. See, 2, 4, 6. I want to show you something more odd than that. The odds are very odd. They're odd queens, look.